السلام علیکم دوستانو. نن درته زه انګلیش وایم. ښه، تاسو به زما انګلیش چیک کوئ. صحیح ده. ها. Okay guys, I want to show some birds in my house. Look at to this dove. uh, I can speak English but not very well because I have the deficiency in English. And look at the other side, right side. This other bird and bird starling. Yeah, look at him. Yeah, and which bird do you like? And you people tell me tell me about my videos and my funny videos and my wall painting work and other more activities about my videos. Okay, and I told you I can speak English but not very well because I have the deficiency in English and I'm ungraded boy, illiterate. Okay, but I can speak English something and and this is my house and that is the cage and this is enough. This video is enough today. Okay, goodbye friends. Allah Hafiz. Oh, I remember, I forget some important things to say you. Please come in my group of We Are Heroes of Peshawar. Okay, you must come. Okay, and okay, Allah Hafiz. Goodbye.